Pay your child in your business. Save yourself thousands. That's what I see on these 20-second flashes on these reels and TikTok things. Today we're going to talk about paying your child in your business. Generally, I mean minor children, 15, 16, 17 years old enough to work, if allowed in your state, but not yet 18. Yes, you can do it. Absolutely. Are there pitfalls? Yeah, there are. Absolutely. And do I see those pitfalls and do I defend clients sometimes with those? You better believe it. So, can you do it? Boom, we've established that. Got it. And if you see me tear up a little bit because Texas Tech's offense didn't show up, sorry. So we've established we can do that. How do I know? I've been doing this 33 years. I've been a CPA and defending clients for 33 years. I've read the law. I've read the rules. There's a whole little section devoted to this. So we've determined we can do it. Why? Does your child not do anything for you? If that's the case, you can't do it. You can't simply make up something and say, it doesn't work that way. And that's what a lot of these clickbait videos, in my opinion, tend to make you believe. That it's just, check a box and that's it. Get this magic deduction. It's not the way it works. Your child has to do work. So let me not get sidetracked. Can you do it? Yes. How do you do it? That's easy. Set your child up just like you would any other stranger, any other minor employee under 18. You have clear duties defined. There's an accountability program, accountability in some manner for your hours, however you pay this person, by the job, by the hour, by the whatever. The task and the expense is ordinary and necessary. You need someone to do this. Greet customers, answer the phone, maintain your social media post, whatever it may be. So all of that stuff is ordinary and necessary. You withhold the proper taxes and you do the proper reporting. So you've got a child. We determine you can do this. You put them on the payroll just like you would anyone else, any stranger. Deduct the proper taxes. There's accountability. The expense and this business expense is ordinary and necessary. There you go. This is where I see people get into trouble. The pay is not consistent with the other employees. The pay is not consistent with the work. The IRS fully understands these child employees may be doing work during their break, during the summer, during whatever. The pay is consistent with the work. It's okay. But if there are just payroll checks coming into the child's account that has nothing to do with their school breaks or their summer break or whatever it may be, that may be an issue. You've got to do this at arm's length. Give your kids some tasks or a task and pay them accordingly. If you do this, you'll have no problem. You'll transfer income from your higher tax bracket to their lower tax bracket. You'll enable things like earnings record, Social Security, for Roth or IRA contributions, for other things. You set this child up with developing a work ethic while under your umbrella. Those are all wonderful things. So, yes, you can set your child up if you have that flexibility in your business, and I think it's a great thing. But it's not start writing your child a paycheck for no accountability and no hours and all of that. That's where you're going to get into a problem. If you can't document these things that your child employee is doing and the amount that they're getting paid and how this is ordinary and necessary for your business and how it's treated just like every other employee at an arm's length, you're going to find yourself in an audit pitfall with someone like me and they're defending you. So don't do that. Do it the right way. If you like this content, subscribe. I'll put a link in the video. I will be doing a community. I hope I can have that in this video before it posts. But I will be doing a community probably based on school platform. And I'd love to have you in there. We will dive deep into every video topic, every single one. When I tell you this is not personalized and this is just general advice, when we go to the school platform, when I get that set up, we will dive deep into every single issue. I appreciate you watching. Texas Tech, maybe next year.